Can y'all guess what I got? It's the Wakuku Trick or Treat Series. It's called what's her name? I want the cute what's sweetheart bunny. I really want the fantastic bunny. Let's see if we have the good here. Ooh! They look like the Pop Mart ones. Oh my god. Guys, they look like the Pop Mart ones. Can y'all guess what I got? Can y'all guess? My Prios. Yes. So lucky. I will open two on my birthday. Can y'all guess? What? Why do they come in ziploc looking box? No, this is always like this. Ayun. Ayun pala. Isa kita.
Wow, ano yun?
Ang cute naman. Ang cute na eh. Tapon ko tayo. Open ako ng isip pa sa birthday ko. Uy.
Ay, sa mga tapon niya. Wala nang ano. Ay, tapos yung masulit ko. Ano nga dyan?